Hello, this is Zenki Bautista, also known as Zach Bautista of TVC Publications. At isa ako sa mga manuscript editors and ako rin ang author ng novel entitled Coffee, Tea, and Me. I am here to give you the insights or forward to one of the classics written by Edgar Allan Poe entitled The Black Cat. So si Edgar Allan Poe ang considered as the father of detective stories and the father of the gothic horror story. So kung mapapansin mo sa kanyang mga gawa na tula, specifically the Annabel Lee, at ilan sa mga nobela niya which are The Telltale Heart and The Black Cat, makikita mo doon yung kagalingan ni Poe sa pag-build up ng settings, ng mood, ng experience, and spine-chilling events and plot of the stories or the poem itself because of his word choice. So napakagaling pumili ni Edgar Allan Poe ng mga salita para i-boost yung imagination mo habang binabasa mo yung kanyang mga artwork. So nakikitaan ko ng dalawang major theme ang The Black Cat ni Edgar Allan Poe. First is yung guilt. Guilt na naramdaman ng narrator sa kanyang pagmamaltrato sa alaga niyang si Pluto na isang black cat. At second is yung transformation. Transformation dahil dun sa dibdib ng pusa na naging bitayan. At saka yung sa narrator na from a regular man, naging insane killer siya. Napakaraming magagandang reason kung bakit kailangan nating malaman at mabasa yung mga libro na nagawa during classicism, because most of the authors during that time, they are writing to fight for something. At mamulat tayo kung ano yung mga ideas na meron sila dati. Reason din kung bakit is to know kung ano yung mga genre or yung mga theme na umusbong during that time para alam natin kung paano yung atake natin when it comes to writing, if you are willing and wanting to be an author or writer. And of course, yung magiging approach mo if you are going to read those classic books. So going back to The Black Cat of Edgar Allan Poe. So again, Edgar Allan Poe is considered as the father of gothic horror and the detective stories. So expect na kapag nagbasa ka ng mga gawa niya, when it comes to word choice, papaganahin talaga niya yung imagination mo when it comes to gothic element ng story, spine-chilling experience, yung horrifying narration niya na meron siya through and through ng kanyang mga gawa, and so on. So enjoy The Black Cat na Edgar Allan Poe, TVC Classics by TVC Publications. Bye!